Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: stable internet, updated Free Fire, and a VPN that lists Taiwan. Open the VPN app and sign in. This is necessary so the game sees a Taiwan IP. Once done, choose a Taiwan server node, but do not connect yet. Check region latency indicators if available. Make sure background apps are closed to lower traffic. These steps reduce connection issues and shorten matchmaking times. Proceed to connect when your indicators show low latency. Now you enable the Taiwan node in the VPN and verify the IP has changed. This confirms routing. Next, launch Free Fire and accept any permission requests so the game can initialize properly. If Free Fire asks for server or region selection, pick the nearest Asia option or Taiwan explicitly. Once in lobby, test a quick custom match to ensure stable gameplay. If latency spikes, switch VPN nodes within Taiwan or toggle VPN protocol for better routing before attempting ranked matches. To finalize, lock the VPN connection and then start matchmaking so the server assigns you correctly. Play one warm-up round to confirm ping and hit registration feel normal. If you experience packet loss or disconnects, make sure your VPN isn't auto-switching nodes. Lock it or select a different protocol. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, switch to another Taiwan node or change the VPN protocol. This often resolves routing problems quickly and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.